rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remembered Zion. For the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? For the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? Say it loud. Sing it again. Say it again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. By the rivers of Babylon, that's where we sat down, and there we were, oh Zion. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight, oh for us. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in your sight, oh for say it again, sing it aloud, whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, we've been known by the rivers of Babylon. That's where we sat down. There we met. When we remember Zion, yeah. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, and there we were, when we remembered Zion. For the wicked carry us away, captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? Sing it again. Sing it aloud. Whoa, whoa, whoa. By the rivers of Babylon, that's where we sat down.